So here is a question that a 100 microfarad capacitor is connected to a 100 volt and 50 hertz AC supply. The RMS value of the current is what? So 4 options are there. So let us find out the data what is given in the question. So the capacitor, the capacitance is given 100 microfarad, 100 microfarad, yes. And the potential difference, the voltage is given 100 volt and the frequency is given 50 hertz. We have to find out RMS value of the current. So let me write what are the data are given here. So here the capacitor, the symbol we are using C is given 100 microfarad. Yeah. So then if it is 100 microfarad, can I write this one 100 into 10 to the power minus 6 farad? Answer is yes. And the potential is given how much? Potential is given 100 volt. Yes. And the frequency is given how much? Frequency is given 50 hertz. Yes. So if I write, all of you know that, so the capacitance, the impedance of the capacitor is 1 upon omega C. All of you know this one. So we derived this one in our AC theory, AC circuit. That means the impedance of the capacitor is 1 divided by, so instead of omega, can I write 2 pi f? Answer is yes, I can write 2 pi f again. So we have capacitor, right? So if I put all the values here, so I will get xc, the impedance of the capacitance, the capacitor 2 pi f c. This is capital C. So 1 divided by, if I write the values, 2, the value of pi is 3.14 approximately, and the frequency is given 50, and the capacitance is given 100 into 10 to the power minus 6. Of course, I can write 10 to the power minus 4. So after all this calculation, so the value will be coming 3.184 into 10 to the power 1. Yes, that means it will be coming 31.84 ohm. So 31.84 ohm we are getting. Now, all of you know that if I have to find out that IRMS, IRMS, which is equal to V divided by impedance. So the potential is given 100 volt and the impedance is given how much? 3.84. So after all this dividing, we are getting 3.14 ampere. So this is the answer. So let us check the answer. 3.14. Yes, option A is the right answer.